Hola Amigas, and welcome back. I'm Kelsey Cush, the Sativa Zebra. And guys, this day has been rough. This week has been rough. Things have been rough. This is my fourth time trying to get this video recorded. So, it's been a day. It has been a day. So I'm very sorry about how late this video is getting out. What can I say? It's been a day. This week I wanted to do, and I made a, I'm making a video about how to make your own homemade infused barbecue sauce. I'm doing sauces because I really they're so easy, they're so convenient. It is a great way to add THC into your diet so that you can continue having like the health benefits just consistently, and also you can just have it a little bit of a high kind of consistently, which is lovely. Yeah, I really like sauces, and I don't know, there's a lot of reasons why I love them. And I think part of it is just, it's kind of a way, like I know that there's still a stigma around cannabis use, and a lot of people are like, oh, if you're like a stoner, then you aren't gonna be successful, you're not gonna, be a good parent, or like any of this shit. That's just not true. Sometimes we feel judged. And I have gotten to know a lot more cannabis moms thanks to TikTok, and it's kind of made me more aware of just how difficult it can be to be a mom and also a cannabis user. That's why I like sauces. And so if you are someone who cannot openly use but you want to add more, cannabis or CBD into your lifestyle, then yeah, keep watching, and like also subscribe, because that's what I do here. This barbecue sauce is real easy. This is a Hades. Come here, say hi. Say hi, everybody. This is Hades. He's a punk. Yeah, just a super easy recipe that comes together in one, small pot, and it makes a good amount. And I also give you a couple different ways that you can infuse, or you can double infuse if you want. What you need for this recipe is 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and all of this you're just going to throw into a small saucepan. Add your tomato paste with a 1/4 cup of water to start. You might need to increase, depending on the consistency you want. I added about 1/2 cup of extra water into it when I was actually cooking the sauce later on. Next, you're going to add your agave. I had some infused agave, so I decided to use that. If you don't have infused agave, or you just don't want to infuse your sugar like that, that's totally fine. You can also use like a different sugar if you need to. You can use a honey, which can also be infused the same way as an agave. You can infuse, or you can use brown sugar if you'd like, just whatever you prefer or whatever you have on hand. Then you will add a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Add 3 tablespoons of your cannabis oil to it. You can use the cannabis oil if you didn't infuse the agave. You can also infuse both, or you can leave this step out if you don't want to add oil to the recipe. It's just up to you. I decided to just go for it because I don't really have any place to go with quarantine and everything. I added infused agave and my cannabis oil to it. And then you add 2 tablespoons of an additional sweetener. So it can be molasses, it can be honey, agave, maple syrup, probably even corn syrup if you really wanted to, or if you have it on hand. And after that, you just add your spices. So you add a tablespoon of chili powder, paprika, garlic powder and onion powder, and then salt and pepper to taste. Once everything's into your pot, you turn your pot on low to medium heat, and I just used a whisk, and I just, you know, as it came up and like the temperature got hotter, I just kept whisking, and I just waited until it started bubbling a little bit. And once it got to that point was when I turned off the heat and poured everything into a glass container. Yeah, and then I used it immediately. So I threw it on some, what do we have for it? Oh, some meatloaf. The husband got like Impossible meat and made like vegan meatloaf out of it. So we poured some barbecue sauce on that. You could throw it on jackfruit or pulled pork. You can, yeah, just like whatever. I was eating it with chicken nuggets or chicken tenders earlier. The previous 2 times I filmed this, I ignore the crinkling in the back. The husband is eating. No worries. So just like whatever you would use a barbecue sauce with. And you can, you know, just kind of like discreetly use it throughout the day. And it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. That's pretty much it, guys. After that, you're done. Like, you have a delicious barbecue sauce. And then if you wanted to, you could add like chili powder, or not chili powder, cayenne pepper to it, or you could add a hot sauce if you wanted to make it spicy. You know, you could just use for all the sweeteners if you enjoy using honey, or if you are okay with using honey, you can just use all honey. You can use all agave. It's kind of a really just good, nice, basic barbecue sauce that you can then add to it. Oh, I almost forgot. You should also add some liquid smoke to the barbecue sauce. It always makes things just that much better. And that liquid smoke actually kind of blends nicely with the cannabis smell, and kind of like hides it a little bit more. So, double bonus. Infusing is a great way to just make your weed go a little bit further, because you can a little bit more accurately dose with it. And I used this white ice that I've used this concentrate, the white ice, I've used it for 3 recipes now, and I think I have maybe like 1 more recipe that I can get out of it. But all of those have made big batches of stuff that I'm still using. You know, that white ice only cost me $15, so that's all I've spent on the majority of my edibles. Although I did get this new stuff. So this drink started out full of it's called Drip. I'll do a video about it, but it's a THC infused syrup, so that you can like infuse sparkling water like this. So that tells you about how, I've been drinking really slow today, so, but yeah, it was full, and it was super pretty because I mixed the 2 flavors I have together, so it was this really pretty green color, and now I've pretty much drank it all. Womp womp. I've lived in Colorado for 6 years, and I still don't understand the weather, guys. I was wearing booty shorts and a tank top 3 days ago because it was 90 fucking degrees out. And now I'm wearing my big leopard sweater, and I have our room heater on because it's very cold today. And oh, Colorado, I love you so much, but I will never get used to you. I don't think it's possible. But yeah, now that I'm just rambling, I think I'm just gonna cut this because I really need to get this video uploaded because it's really fucking late, and now this is gonna be like uploading at like midnight, and you guys are all gonna hate me, so please don't hate me. And yeah, fuck it, okay, we're cutting. So, if you liked this video, please like and comment and tell me what videos you would like to see. I think I'm going to be doing an infused peanut butter and jelly for next week. So be prepared. Peanut butter and jelly coming your way. But like you could also comment and be like, hey, I want to see you make something else. So what do you guys want to see? Because ultimately I'm making this for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now that you have liked this video and hopefully you subscribe to my channel for more videos, I just want to say I hope you guys have a super wonderful, awesome week, and I am wishing all the best for you, and we're gonna get through this, and yeah. Oh wait, no, just cause, real quick, look at this book. My husband bought me this book. It's the Vegan Stoner Cookbook, and it is like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, it has little veggies in there, like on their lunch break. And then, oh, and this is them when they have their munchie break. It's just so cute. So I think I might start making some of these recipes later, after the PB&J, obviously, because PB&Js. Bye guys, I hope you have a super great, wonderful rest of the week. I love you guys, and yeah, I love you guys. Bye!